These are the CONSDAN StoneCreek solid wood stools. These come in a 2-pack here. I'm going to be using this stool to support this plant right here. This is just a really nice setup here. It looks really great. These stools are made out of solid wood, very nicely crafted materials right here. When you receive these, they all come in one piece, nothing to build, nothing like that. This is all solid wood. It's got a really nice clear coat on here. It's just very shiny. You can really see the grains in the wood here. It just looks really nice. The size of these stools are 8 3/4 inches tall, 7 3/4 inches wide, and then the base plate on the top here is 9 3/4 inches. So this is a good size stool here. This is also a stool for like children, kids like that, and you could use it to put shoes on. It is pretty low for that, but it would function for that reason. But I'm going to be using it for this plant right here. It's going to look fantastic right here. It's just the right height. The plant is going to look right in here. I like how it pairs with the navy blue pot there and everything. It just looks really great. So I'm very pleased with it. Very pleased with the construction on here. Again, you could see how sturdy it is. You put some weight on here, you move it. It definitely does not move around. So you could see it definitely is going to stay sturdy. It's going to stay perfectly in line on here. I'm very pleased with it. So again, you get these in a 2-pack here. So I'm going to save this one for when I get another plant like this, and I'm going to be putting this out. It's really nice decor. I like the fact that you could see the wood in here, the wood grain finish with the clear coat. It just looks really great. And again, best of all, you get these, it's all built, nothing to build here. So most of the time you're buying stuff, it ships in a flat box. This does not. This is right out of the box. It's ready to go. So that's what I really like about this product right here. And again, get this in a 2-pack. It's the CONSDAN StoneCreek solid wood stools. Highly recommend these. They're really great materials.